What's up, everybody? Your boy Pat back again with another edition of Unplugged. Today's topic of the day is the Razer Kaira Pro for your Xbox.
This is a Heat Rocks production.
Now, before we get into it, make sure you like and subscribe and hit the bell as it helps out the channel. Now, the Razer Kaira Pros for the Xbox. I've heard a lot of good things about this. People have told me that this is the best headset wireless that you can get for your Xbox. I currently have an Xbox Series X, so I'm excited to get these going and see what they're all about. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing so we can see what we're going to get inside the box. But first, let's look at the box. So right off the bat, nice. This has a little bit of texture to it outside here on the headphone. I like that, a little bit of detail. Got a little bit of grab on it. Got your little Razer logo there, designed for Xbox. On the side, it gets into all the specs, what you're getting as far as technology is concerned. In the back, this gives you a little bit more detail of what the actual headset looks like. On the other side, you're getting a little message from Kaira Pro, Razer. They're explaining why you're getting cutting edge performance. And on the bottom, you got a little bit of what's needed, what's inside. And on the top, you just got this little pole kind of string thingy. So let's get into it. Let's open it up. Okay, right off the bat, it doesn't have it's got the wing here, the hinge, a little different. Throw the box to the side. So that's how it comes in the box. Little instruction booklet looks like. Probably not going to go through this, but yeah, if you're into reading all this, it's for you guys to look at. You do get Razer Chroma RGB, you get 4Gamers by Gamers, you get a Razer, and you get the Razer logo. These are some cool stickers. I'll probably put these up somewhere. And then inside, that's where the headphones are. So let's see. Anything else inside the box? Looks like something's there. Try not to rip this, even though I am. Okay, there. Getting this stuff. All right, nothing else inside the box. Nice cool piece of felt for packaging. There's your mic. All right, throw this to the side. All right, so you're getting your mic, right? You're getting a cord to charge, USB type A to USB type C. I like when they go USB type C, it's the future. You're getting a nice little plastic, rubbery kind of thing here where you can close it up. I like that. And then the cord is that braided material, which I really like. And it's pretty solid, I would say. You can see it there. Nice little texture. Almost look, you can see the braids. So I like this. Okay, let's throw the cord to the side. Let's keep the mic out and let's get it. So what's inside here? Obviously, we all know it's the headphones, right? All right, you get a little bit of poison here. If you have a dog or a cat, throw this away. If they eat this, they can potentially die and they'll definitely get sick. And then you're getting update your firmware. Obviously, they want you to update your headset as soon as you get it out of the box. We're gonna put this to the side. We'll do that later. And then the headset. So the headset, you got Razer branding up there. You got the logos there. See if you can pick that up. Yeah, right there. And you got another one as well. It's all plastic. I like how they went black and green because of the Xbox. Pretty stretchy. I feel if I go any more, this is gonna crack. I like how they swivel, so you're able to store these flat. I like that. The cushions they're not leather, they're not pleatherette or anything like that. They're actually a soft material, kind of like that. Feels really nice, but if you sweat, I don't know if that's gonna soak up and then stink or whatever, but yeah, really nice. Feels like this is gonna be comfortable. It's pretty deep. I would say at least an inch inside as far as space for your ear. Then on the left ear cup, all right, you got also a little bit of swivel. So you also have this, and then you also have this, a little bit of swivel. You can see that. All right, you got all your buttons here. Looks like a power button there. Looks like mute, unmute, and then you have a volume rocker here. On the other side, you got another volume rocker. So one's gonna be for game volume, one's gonna be for chat mix. I don't know which one's which, we'll find out. Looks like the right one is chat mix, this one, and this one's volume up and down. And then you also have, it looks like a pairing mode here, a Bluetooth, and then here, sorry, you got a Bluetooth here, and then that, I don't know, maybe to sync to your Xbox. I'm not sure what these two buttons are. One's got a Bluetooth logo on it, and one looks like a sync button, but that's pretty much the same thing. I don't know what the difference is. We'll find out together. And then underneath on the left, you got your power cord. That's where you're gonna charge. And then here you also have, that's where your mic's gonna go. So that's what the headset's gonna look like. Shout out to everybody rocking me on Instagram, YouTube, the Anchor app. You can also find me on Spotify, as well as Apple and Google Podcasts. It's your boy Pat. Peace. Catch you on the next one.